So Chris, the Media Choice Award at the FAW Awards night, quite an honour.
Yeah, delighted, unexpected. I didn't, never expected to win that, so I'm honoured to win it. And I think that you know, at my age, any award's a good award. So no, really pleased, and like I said, honoured to win that.
I guess it shows the achievement of this campaign, I guess, to be voted in that. But as you keep saying, there's still a lot to do, and big games coming up.
Well, yeah, it's very much, we're coming to the end of the campaign, but we're very much in the middle of what we're trying to achieve, and the players, I can't speak highly enough of what they've done so far, and the fact that they know that they're still not finished and there's work to do. Staff are also the same, they're highly driven, and we've got to keep marching forward, because we've raised the expectations of the nation, and the nation have been absolutely magnificent. Their support, been behind us, I've never seen anything like it. So, and I said, get carried away, and enjoy it. Then that means we've got to keep producing, and they have kept producing. So, one more camp in this campaign, and if we continue what we've been doing in these last 8 games, when it's been a double header, 2 games, we've consistently got 4 points. So that's what, if we can get 6, great. But we know, we need to get a point to secure it. But we are going into this next game in Bosnia. We know it's going to be a really hard game. It's all or nothing for them. They need to win. So this is going to be a real tough one for us, a good test. But it's one that we're looking forward to, and one that we're looking to really, I've never really said to the players, you've got to go out and win. And what I've said is, you've got to go out and perform and show everybody what it means to wear this famous red jersey, and that's what we'll be looking to do again. And
how do you feel sort of going into these games? Is it excitement, nervousness, a bit of both?
Yeah, I feel the same as I felt from the first game. I know what's at stake. I knew what was at stake in the last camp. It's a challenge, and it's a challenge I'm looking forward to meeting. We all are. It's a tough one, We don't talk about the second game. We never do on double headers. We only discuss the first game. And we'll do exactly the same as what we've always done. We've concentrated on the process, on how we're going to get the performance out of the team. We'll have a game plan, and we don't change from that game plan. Our plan B is getting plan A right. So we'll stay focused on that. We'll do that again this week before we go to Bosnia.
Well, excellent. Once again, congratulations on your award, Chris, and thanks for joining us on FAW TV.
Thanks, Rob.
Excellent. Cheers, Chris.
Thanks
a lot. Well done.
Cheers, mate.